So far we have discussed about civil system and judicial system. Now we have to discuss about the police system. What changes were brought by the British in this section of administration, the police system. Who are police? What is the work done by them? What is the work done by the police officers? Yes, Shrihash. Shrihash?
Yes, Mataji, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
To protect the people from robberies and to protect them from cheatings and
Yes, to protect the people from robberies, theft and all. Okay, Shriharsha, thank you. Shantika, what do you think? Shantika.
They should maintain peace and order in society.
Exactly. Okay. So to protect the people, as Shriharsha told. Thank you very much, Shantika. So as Shriharsha told, the work of the people is, the work of the police is to protect the civilians. Okay. To protect the civilians, primarily they have to maintain law and order in the country. Within the country, they have to maintain the law and order. They have to maintain internal peace. For that, they have to maintain law and order. So that is the main work of the police. So in the year 1770, now let us go back to 1770 before the passing of Regulating Act. Regulating Act was passed in the year 1773 ಹೌದಾ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತನೂ ಮುಂಚೆ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ there was a drought. Okay, you should know the meaning of drought ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಗಾಲ ಅಂತ. There was a famine, there was a severe drought, there was a severe ಬರಗಾಲ at that time. ಸೊ ಬರಗಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟು ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಹಸಿವನ್ನ ತಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಾಗದೆ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಡದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನುವಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಸೊ ಸಿವಿಯರ್ ಡ್ರಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1770 and it was very difficult to maintain internal law and order. So that is why East India Company, English East India Company, it took control over the entire police system. Okay, so this is how in the year 1770 entire police system came under the control of British. Then what happened? After that, yes, after that what happened? A new post called magistrate was appointed. Now we have magistrate as the criminal judges. So criminal court ಅಲ್ಲಿ judges ಇರ್ತಾರೆ magistrates ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ. So this magistrate they were appointed at that time and under these magistrates the police officers had to work. That was the change. Then afterwards Lord Cornwallis he introduced different things in English, the Indian police system. Lord Cornwallis changed the entire police system in a significant manner. What did he do? Lord Cornwallis divided every district into different stations. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೋ ಶಿರ್ಸಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿಗೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್, ಶಿರ್ಸಿ ಟೌನಿಗೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಶಿರ್ಸಿ ರೂರಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಬನವಾಸಿದಲ್ಲಿ. So every district was divided into different stations and in every station there was an officer called ಕೊತುವಾಲ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಈಗ ನಾವ್ ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಬೈಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅಧಿಪ್ರಸಂತನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಕೊತುವಾಲನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೌದಾ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕೊತುವಾಲ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ this time. So every police station was kept under the control of Kotwal. Kotwal was the officer for Taluk place. He was the officer or he was the head for a station, police station. So this was the post introduced by Lord Cornwallis. Then for village, to look after law and order in the village, there was another person called Chowkidar. Okay, he was responsible for looking after law and order in the village. Kotwal and Chowkidar were the different posts. Then again Lord Cornwallis, he introduced a new post called SP, Superintendent of Police. SP, Superintendent of Police. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, SP, DYSP, Deputy Superintendent of Police. So this SP, Superintendent of Police, it was the new post created by Lord Cornwallis. Then in the year 1861, children, in the year 1861, Police Act was passed in India, and some new systems, systematic organization was established through the help of this act. In the year 1861, that act was passed. Then again, in the year 1902, in the year 1902, some qualifications were decided, or some qualifications were fixed for the appointment of police officers. In this way, many changes were brought during the British period in the police system also. So, in the year 1770, because of severe drought, what happened? Law and order could not be maintained in India. That is why the British East India Company took control over it. Then magistrate post was appointed. Police had to work under his control. Then Cornwallis came to India. He brought many changes. Districts were divided into number of police stations, and for every police station there was a head called Kotwal, and for village there was an officer called Chowkidar. Okay. Then Superintendent of Police, new post was created by Lord Cornwallis. Afterwards, 1861, the Police Act was passed. Then in 1902, again some qualifications were fixed for the appointment of police officers. But again, here also discrimination was made against Indians. They were not allowed to work in the higher posts. Higher posts ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Yes. Let us have the page on the screen. Okay, so now last part of today's lesson, that is military system. So it was with the help of military, the British controlled what? The whole India, no? It was with the help of this military. Their military was powerful. They had got nice organization skills. You have studied how, with the help of subsidiary alliance, they controlled Indians. Alva? So later, what happened in the beginning? Only British soldiers were there. Later, when they went on establishing their power over India, they appointed Indians also. ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸುಬೇದಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸುಬೇದಾರ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ military post in which Indians could serve. Then what happened? A person called Peel, maybe he was the chairperson of a commission, and that is why that commission came to be known as Peel Commission. Okay, so according to the decisions and reports given by this Peel Commission, Peel's Commission, the many changes were brought in Indian military system. So we will not going to discuss very in detail about this military aspect. So these are the 4 areas. You remember about this Peel Commission, and you have to remember about this Subedar, the post of Subedar. It was the highest post where the Indians could serve. Okay, so here we will end our discussion, but I have to ask questions. Let us stop recording here.